Palladium points. What are they? Palladium points are specific degrees in your chart. I'm going to go over them and I'm going to give you some quick keywords to understand what they mean. If you don't have your chart, comment below. I can get your chart to you, who you may have once been, about who you are now, where you're headed. Palladium points are in the fixed signs. The signs that are fixed are Taurus and Scorpio, Leo, and Aquarius. These are fixed energies. Taurus is fixed earth. Earth is practical. It's tangible. It's something that feels solid, that you can rely and depend on. Beautiful, abundant. Think of the earth and how it feeds us, but it's fixed, so it doesn't like to change. It's things that give us comforts. Think of creature comforts. You like the temperature a specific way. You like your food a special way. You have things that you love, your values, your money, things you collect. Creature comforts, things that you value and people that you value. And fixed means you're stubborn. You don't want that to change. Matter of fact, if your creature comforts get changed, it's going to bother you like crazy. Scorpio energy is fixed water. Water is emotions, but it's deep water. Water that's not up on the top, it's deep. You can't really see it. You know, the still waters run deep. That's Scorpio energy. It's very powerful. You know, it's that tide in the ocean that can pull you under, the undertow. That's Scorpio energy. Like it just kind of comes out of nowhere and all of a sudden something's grabbing and sucking you. Energy. When you think of the sign of Scorpio, remember the word energy. It's powerful. It has the ability to dive into others' energy, to penetrate. That's Scorpio energy. It's also values, like the fixed earth of Taurus, values and money. But in Scorpio energy, it's shared values. It's our values. So yes, Scorpio and Taurus is a lot about money. Is a lot about values. Is a lot about natural, tangible resources. But it's also energy, and it's also someone I love, or someone that we love, something we hold of value. Scorpio energy has a lot to do with the past. It is very soulful and powerful. It is energetically deep. Blood bonds people that you vibe with energetically. Scorpio energy is fixed water, fixed emotions. I feel a certain way about this and I'm not changing my mind. I am passionate about this. I feel so strong about this, I will fight you. Scorpio energy, passionate. You don't make a Scorpio your enemy. The next fixed sign is Leo. Leo is all about I will light. So it's usually optimistic and positive. Very fiery. You get too close, sometimes you can get burned. Very fiery, very animated. Lots of politicians and actors. Performers. Taurus and Leo performers vocally. They can sing or be motivational speakers. Usually very optimistic, though, for Leo because it's fun. And it likes to shed light, likes to have a good time, wants things to be able to bounce around and be kind of free, but it's fixed. It's fixed. So it has a very clear idea about how it's expressing because it's unique. It's a unique expression. It's fixed fire. Create the way that it deems necessary, the way that it wants to. You're not going to tell it how it can or can't create. It's about expressing, uniquely expressing, but it's fixed, meaning it doesn't want to change what it's doing. It's not going to change what it wills itself to do. It's fixed. It's stubborn. It's about creativity and children. Children, we are childlike. How we have fun with our body, how we take a risk with our body and possibly our finances, possibly with the things that we value. But we're expressing freely. Aquarian energy is all about being unique, but being a unique individual within the group. So it's about friends. It's about how I function within the group. It's the social circle. It's the internet, but it's fixed. So it has very fixed ways of communicating and thinking and talking because it's like the mind of God energy that comes through. Information, that knowledge, that cosmic download comes through. It believes that what it is hearing, what it knows, it's the only way, that there can be no other way. And so at times, it can be a bit rebellious. It's a fixed way of communicating. It's a fixed way of thinking how I should be in the group or how the group is supposed to be. It's very fixed. There are rules involved when we function within a group, within society, within humanity. It's a sign of service. It's how we serve, and very fixed ideas about how we should or shouldn't serve. Now, I'm going to give you the degrees. These are the Pleiadian degrees, and they mean something. They're very powerful. The Pleiadians were known to be a civilization, an advanced civilization, but one of the ancient civilizations. For the fixed signs, so the same number for all of them, degrees 25, 26, and 27. Do you have 25, 26, or 27 degrees in those fixed signs anywhere in your chart? Find out. Comment below. Let me know. And if you don't know and want to know, let me know.